Okay, it is Friday, December 12th. We'll be working on this shed roof here. There's the condition of the shingles. Almost no granules left. Blistering everywhere. This will be the shingle we're removing. Close up of the shingles. I'll be using this putty-like pry bar to break the seal on these shingles. I will be using this roofing pry bar, extra thin, to get underneath the shingles to remove the nails. This roofing snake to reinstall the nails without lifting the shingle past 45 degrees. And this roofing hatchet hammer to drive the nails in. And this roofing caulk to seal down the tabs to the new shingle. Start by, oh, this one's already up. Being very careful to break these seals. Okay. And also a row above it. This is good. Yeah. Now that those are removed, I'm gonna switch tools to the roofing pry bar. Try not to die today. We're going to be removing the nails at this top level. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the lower level 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll start at the top. Can't really without ripping the shingles already. Ladybug. That's one nail. Pry bars breaking through the shingles here. It's a hole now. That's the third. Fourth. Back over here. There's not much of this shingle left. Get underneath the nail. underneath. Okay, well, you can see what happens. The pry bar comes all the way through. Try to get any type of strength behind it. This one is already popped out. Should be able to remove the shingle now. This is the condition. Replace with another 3-tab shingle. Same width, height. We come in, use the snake tool. Issue with the snake tool is that once you drive the nail all the way in, there's still about 1/4 of an inch gap left from the surface of the roof and the nail head, so you have to then remove the snake tool and drive the rest of the nail in without lifting the shingle too much. So I'll show you right here. So, snake tool often does this, drives nails in crooked. Excuse me. So you just have to redo it. You can't drive a nail in crooked. Go back to the same spot. A few taps. Straight like that. Not lifting this this shingle tab past 45 degrees, but we have to get on top of this nail and drive it straight down. Try to get up further. Just gonna get my snake tool.
Slide up in it. Let's go.
Just insert the nail. Not lifting the shingles at all. Give it some guidance. Try not to crease the shingle too much. That's flush. This next one. Guidance. Snake tool doesn't lift the shingle past 45 degrees. Gonna have to redo this one. Let me get my feet for a second.
That's right.
A lot of loose granules on the roof. Should be able to reuse this now. Actually, let's just get a fresh one. Same spot. Driven as far as you can in with the snake tool, but you have to go back and drive the rest. Last one on this first level. Some issues on the roof, but make sure we get this inside the portion of the roof. Almost slid off a second ago. Put that on a good corner. Push it in. Often an issue with the snake tool. Just get another one. Try it again. Go to the side. Better result right there. Try not to lift the shingle too far. Fully driven in. Let me get back up. We can do this top level here. Okay, well, the shingles already completely creased. Drive it in the same. Out. Oh, this shingle so brittle it just folded right over with no pressure. And we have a tear right here actually. Gonna nail this one straight in since it's gone now. Just fell off. Hold that back down for now. Do our last three. Good nail line. Let's see what this one did. Missed it. Just put it back in. Straighten it out. Oh. Straight in just like that. Gotta do the rest. Got two more. Goes in straight like that. Here. snake tool and show you how that works. Just get a real. No snake tool. Just driving it straight in. Have to, lift the shingle a little bit further than you like sometimes. Better position. And now this is a magnet on the top of this hatchet. Try to do this straight in. But in order to get a straight drive, this is how much you have to lift the shingle. But that's flush. I'm going to use the snake tool again. That's one. Over here in the corner. Get it nice. See how that was. Pop out a little bit. Just throw it back in. Okay, well, this one just flips up as well. So let's just follow this straight in. So that is a fully nailed in, but we lost a tab here, this tab, and all the other tabs are completely just destroyed, creased at the top, ripping at the top. There was a hole in a few of these from lifting the nails. But in order to seal them back down, I'm gonna now apply the roofing caulk. Under each tab, just do a dab. Hold it in place until this tar strip allows the tab above it to seal down. You have a whole rip across this. Seal this down. At these upper ones, I like to seal the old nail holes. This is ripped all the way across the top. Ripped all the way across the top. This is ripped all the way through. You can see a hole. Previous nail hole here. And that's a fully installed shingle, but unsuccessful because you can't operate on this roof delicately, and even delicacy will cause tears, rips, creasing, removal. This roof is completely unrepairable. See all of this. I'll try to get out the sun.